back, guys. Again, this is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and this is number 3 in my clearance haul. This is one of the paintings that I've been looking at, but this wasn't on my wish list. I just saw that it was a really good price, and I thought, you know what? I like this one. I looked at some finished pictures of it, and it looked really good, so I picked it up. It's Staring into Space. It's one of the, what I like to call the emo cats. And we're just going to get right into it. Because I want to get these done. I had to stop filming last night because we went to a fundraising event locally called the Barbecue Blitz. And we had a blast, of course, but it means that I had to leave halfway through filming, so I kind of want to get this done. Looks like we've got the normal round toolkit, but it does look like they gave us a 6-placer instead of a 3-placer for our multi-placer. Everything else seems to be here. I'm not going to go over the kit, because if you'd like to see the full Diamond Art Club kit, you can see one of my previous videos. The only difference with the round toolkit is that there are no tweezers with it. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you do get a round painting. This one does have a B in it. So let's get into this canvas. These are our drills. Not too many of them because it's not super big. This is starting to be like a snack size painting for me with some of the bigger canvases that I've accumulated. It's 42 by 42 centimeters. That should be small enough for me to take into work. So like I've said in a previous video, I've got like several work-sized Diamond Art Clubs now that I may keep to take into work and just make that my thing, that the paintings I take to work are Diamond Art Clubs. Unless I get, you know, some other small paintings like those little tiny Yahuwah ones. There's our 9 Steps of Diamond painting. If you want a more detailed look at that, just go to the Diamond Art Club website. Okay, so let's take a look at this. The thing to remember about the round Diamond Art Club canvases is that because of the dots, they do use training wheels, sort of. They lighten the middle of the circle. So, it doesn't look as much like the finalized painting as it normally would, but you can still kind of see the image. So we have got a crap load of 939. It is everywhere. All these little, just so you'll see the clarity up here too, but all those little hash marks, those are 939. So it is a 939 heavy painting. I think this is going to look really cool, though. I'm thinking of giving this one to my sister when I finish it. She likes cats, and I've already given her that one with the 5 little tuxedo cats. What did I call them? The goofy cats. I don't know, those fluffy ones that I had gotten in 30 by 30. So this one might be a little bigger one that I might give her. We'll kind of see how it turns out in the end. But, you know, I think it's going to turn out nice. Of course, the canvas is nice and sticky. You already saw how clear the drill field is. I think, like I said, it's going to turn out really well. I'm guessing that this one's not very popular because it was marked down pretty low from what the original price on the clearance. I think this was marked down to $10. So for a painting that I kind of wanted, I was like, I'm not going to pass that up. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. So I picked it up, and I think that's a really good price for a DAC. 42 by 42 centimeter. I mean, really. Okay, so let's just take a look at the drills. We will first, yep, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 939, and then 1, 2, 3 bags of 823. So it's a very dark painting. But one thing I have noticed with diamond paintings is that as long as the drills are nice and shiny, and diamond art clubs usually are, especially their round drills, and just going through the bag here, they look really good. The dark colors actually will look really incredible. So it's going to be a lot of color blocking around here, but there is, like, you know, some confetti in there. So I think it's going to be good. There's a 336, kind of another dark blue. Of course, we have some 310 and a dark brown and a blue and a less dark brown. And then here's our little colors. I really like that blue. I think I saw that for the first time in one of the other paintings that I've unboxed, and I just really love it. That's a nice brown. $7.79. It's a really nice brown. That's a kind of a nice gray too. So this is, you know, a pretty muted painting, all things considered. But like I said, I call this Emo Cat, and I think he's a darker one. There's our AB, 141. Let's see, where does 141 go? It's the number 1. And where is our AB on here? Oh, the whiskers. He's going to have glitter whiskers. An emo kitty with glitter whiskers, guys. Ooh, I like these. Sort of drab, olive drab colors. Good old 154. And another, like, charcoaly dark color. Wow, this just really wants to keep rolling up on me. Okay. Is that going to do it? Okay. So, I forget the name of this artist. It's like Escarina Cata something. We'll put it up here so you can remember. There's one other like this of what I call the emo cats. There's just two emo cats, and they're basically cats with like a little bit of an emo haircut. And I kind of like them. They're a little bit, you know, off the wall. I think both of them are on sale right now, but I just bought this one because it was cheaper. And I wasn't sure that I would like them. Based on the finished pictures, I think I will like them, but I'm going to do this one, and if the other one's still available after, if I really like this one and the other one's still available, I also think this one was a little smaller. But if the other one's still available, if I really like this one, I will try to buy it. But I do really think this one's going to turn out nice, and it's actually going to be hard to not do this one. I know I said I was going to do the blooms as my next work project, but this one I might do first, especially considering there's another one that I think is also on clearance, and I might want to do this before it sells out. We'll see. Anywho, that is, what is this? Staring into Space. It's called Staring into Space, or as I call it, Emo Cat. Anyway, that has been Staring into Space. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, especially if you've done this painting. I have not seen this around very often. The only pictures I've seen of it finished were on the Diamond Art Club website. So if you've done this painting, I definitely want to hear from you. If you want to do this painting, now is the time to get it because it is $10 on Diamond Art Club's website. So get it before it's gone. I think they are also discontinuing this one, but I am not 100% sure. I'll put it up there. If you want to see the next video in the series, because remember, I have got 3 more to unbox, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get a notification when I upload that next video, then hit the bell and you will get a notification. Other than that, guys, I am going to catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.